Hello and welcome to another episode of Microwave Me. Today we're going to be microwaving popcorn. This says it's going to be a short experiment, which really isn't all that much fun. So I'm going to put this on lower power for 1 minute. Here's the popcorn ready to go in Jennie the microwave. The love of my life. My reason for microwaving every day. She's not an old microwave. She's like finely aged wine. How long should I put it in for? I'm going to go for 40 seconds. I don't get it. The damn bag said 30 seconds. Like, I'm gonna have to do it for some more time. I'm gonna do it for another 40 seconds. Screw it, I'm doing it for 2 minutes. First time ever, I'm gonna just stop this experiment early. Last time I ever listened to the packaging instructions in the back of whatever I'm microwaving. Might not have to stop it early after all. It's funny, it was supposed to take 30 seconds, but it took 3 minutes. So let's look at that. Is it a good idea? Of course it is. Microwave popcorn's supposed to be microwaved. Now, here's a good idea I think we can all enjoy. This should also answer your question on whether or not I eat the stuff I microwave. Of course I do. I'm microwaving food. I'm not going to exactly be microwaving a light bulb in this microwave.